This is Sean Helton with FPL. Our crews continue working around the clock to restore power across our service area. And we're now getting into those hardest hit areas, the areas that have suffered the most damage from Hurricane Milton, where storm surge or flooding has happened. We're here in Port Orange at a substation. As you can see behind me, this facility has suffered flooding. There's about 3 feet of standing water in some areas of this substation. So our crews are able to assess damage from a distance using drone technology, and that allows them to get an idea of how much damage has been done and what it's going to take to get this facility back online once it's safe for them to get in there and make repairs. A substation like this powers thousands of homes in the area, homes and businesses that unfortunately will remain without power until these waters recede and our crews can get in there and make those repairs. And this is just one example of the kind of damage we're seeing as we're getting out into these hardest hit areas and the challenges that the storm has presented and how it's keeping us from getting power turned on immediately. But our crews are out there. They will be out there 24/7 working to restore power where it's safe to do so and as quickly as possible.